Somebody was telling me you cannot live in a castle if you don't manage to do quickly the fire. Well, I have a message for this somebody. Billy, I know that now you are probably looking for a new project. If you remember how to handle the shovel, we need some people, so maybe you want to join us. It's a real wok from China. I got it on Temu and it's not sponsored. Oh la la! Check this out, Asian wasps that were living inside. They are killing bees. By the way, we need to check if bees are there. I think we need to see it with the drone. here. Okay, so I will introduce you Lucy, who is woodworker, local woodworker, you know, from several generations. And we asked her to make us a quotation for the windows in the basement. You know, the basement actually is the place where it's almost waterproof and 2 windows need to be replaced. So we asked to make the same windows with the oak wood. And that's what we'd like, so she is here to make us a quotation to take the measures. Ladies and gentlemen, so as you understood, we will do a livable place here in the basement, and then we will continue the floors. Now the good time is back, and also we got paid by some clients. So finally we are continuing the works here and in the workshop. So see you soon in the next episode. Follow, like, subscribe. See you soon.